it. Is my mascara gone? Because I was going to wash it all off. Since when there's a door here? This is so annoying. But the fire alarm went off again. Ah! This is like the third time. And I don't know why it's always going off. It happened a few days ago. I remember that it was a Saturday morning. It was 3:30 and I was really like, I was dreaming so nicely, and then suddenly I heard this weird alarm sound sounding, and I immediately woke up, and the first thing I saw was the fire alarm. It was like blinking red. So I knew that it was a fire alarm that was sounding, and the first thing I did was to scan my whole room because I thought that my room was on fire, because it was a fire alarm that was in my room that was sounding. And yeah, I scanned the whole room and I didn't see any fire. So the first thing I did was to like unplug my phone, because I thought that if I were to run for my life, I'm not running without my phone. So I unplugged my phone, and then I just took like a jacket and I opened my door, and I saw all my flatmates were like standing outside their room, and they were asking like, were you the one that set the fire alarm off? Were you the one that set the fire alarm? Were you the one that set the fire alarm off? So everybody said, no, it wasn't me. No, it wasn't me. So at that time, I was like totally blur. I was like, what? And yeah, so afterwards, my flatmate, she was saying that, oh, we should like get out, because apparently it wasn't the fire alarm in my room that was sounding, it was like everybody's, the whole block's fire alarm. So we said like, okay, we should just run down. So we ran down, and it turns out it was a false alarm. So we all had to come back up, and so we thought that was the end, and all of us went back to our rooms to continue sleeping. 10 minutes later, the fire alarm sounded again, and all of us came out of our rooms, and we had to go out again. So I grabbed my jacket, I grabbed my phone as usual, and we had to walk down like 5 floors. But this time, when we walked down to the 3rd floor, the fire alarm stopped, and it was so damn annoying. We had to walk all the way back up, and we were all like just chilling in the kitchen waiting for the next fire alarm, because who knows, it might sound next. And yeah, it was so embarrassing because I was in my pajamas, and the first time I actually ran out with my bedroom slippers, and my bedroom slipper is those kind that is like the really furry type. It was so damn embarrassing. And yeah, my hair was like all jumbled up like that. It was so ugly. And yeah, I don't know, like the guys in my flat, they had like their hairs all styled up, and everybody looked the same. So I was like wondering, why am I the ugliest? Like, I mean, I know that I'm not that good looking, but how can somebody just wake up and they look like, oh, so perfect? Yeah, I was like, oh, like an old grandma like that. Yeah, so just now, while I was watching YouTube halfway, the fire alarm went off again. So my flatmates all came out, and one of my flatmates, apparently she was showering halfway, and you know, like that is the most annoying part, because I don't want to be showering halfway and then the fire alarm goes off. I mean, if I were showering halfway and the fire alarm goes off, I think I'm just gonna continue showering regardless if there's a fire or not. Cause I don't know, man, it feels so weird running out with your towel, especially like if it's winter. You're gonna like freeze to death if you don't burn to death. Yeah, so the fire alarm went off just now, and all of us have to run down again. And this time, it was a false alarm again. It was so damn annoying, oh my god! And we all have to climb back up 5 floors. And I'm like really tired right now because I just climbed up 5 floors. I have like super duper bad stamina.
You're going to make video?
Yeah?
No.
Oh, there's so much salt.
I know, that's too much. I'm going to do it.
So Julia, what are you making?
Tomato with egg with noodles.
Oh, it looks really good.
No, I just put all the materials. Are you still recording?
Yeah. This is going on YouTube.
Oh my god. Hi YouTube. No, don't. Are you sure? Seriously? No. This is off camera, okay?
Why?
This is off camera.
Is it because you don't want to let people know your recipe to the great noodles?
Because I feel like
Oh, it's so dirty.
I know it's so dirty.
Quiet night. Hello. Julia, where are you? Come say hi to the window. Say hi to the window. Yeah. Hey.
No, hi.
What's with all that sirens? Oh. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, it's really cold outside.
Kind of pretty.
It's done. Oh my god, it's so restaurant quality. And it smells so good. I hope that you guys can smell it through the camera. Like, it smells so good. It's gonna taste really, really good too.
She's looking like the video, like, this is so funny. It's so stupid. It's really song.
Don't chain yourselves up, Takeshi heads, because
What is it?
I'm like a hot knife through butter. I'm going to take you through the next 30 minutes of sour-faced suffering and stomach-curdling shenanigans. This feast of fury has spread itself worldwide and landed on your table. Let's jump on the Milky Way and chew the cud over this lot. Coming up, we're losing our minds in the
This is so stupid. It's like, only Japanese people do shit like this.
What? Wait, it's a Japanese game show but they speak English?
It's a Japanese game show, but it's got English. But the person commentating over it is Craig Charles. He's English.
And slip with me into Takeshi's castle.
They probably made the water so deep as well.
Avoiding the guard. Caught in a pincer mule.
quite
Trapped like a sandwich filling between two doors.
This makes no sense.
It's just, I don't know what it is.
This makes no sense at all. Now, you need to get caught.
The black-handed, black-hearted.